my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite baby girl, Mama. What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always clicking on my video. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Mama What's Up channel. I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. And if I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join this amazing family. Yes, I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. So in today's video, I'm going to try my facial masks. Yeah, I'm revealing my face mask. Yes, I just bought it. It's my first time of using it. A friend of mine introduced it to me, so I'm gonna be using this facial mask. So we are gonna try it out. Stay tuned to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping me, guys. So let's go straight to today's video. Press yourself to do this facial mask, okay guys? So we are going to try it out. Yeah, look at it. So be careful with your eyes. It's a kind of a bit hurting in the eyes, so be careful when you are applying it on your eyes. Yes guys. Some people, they like using brush. For me, I prefer to use my hand. So guys, this is the reason why they don't want to use their hands. So depending on your choice. This is a charcoal mask. So guys, I'm done applying this facial mask on my face. You can see how I'm looking. It's written here you are going to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and they said it's very good. Original, sehr gut. In German language is written Say good. That is very perfect. It's very good from what is written here. They say it is very good and is 0% chemicals. It's close to, I hardly use anything, will I call it, anything that is not natural. I normally use things that are natural or close to it because most of all these things are contained with a lot of chemicals. So I don't need anything that will spoil my face. That is it, guys. I'm always very conscious and careful of what I'm using on my body. So that is it, guys. So see you guys on 20 minutes time. By 20 minutes time, 20 to 30 minutes time, I'm coming back. Stay tuned. Don't touch that dye. Guys, it's almost 20 minutes and the black charcoal marks is dried up on my face. The essence of using these black charcoal marks is to peel off dark spots, anything bacteria on your face, it will peel it out. So I'm gonna remove it now. It's a little bit tight on my face. Because that's causing bacteria is gonna peel it away, and I'm hoping that it remove mine. So right now I'm gonna peel it off. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so dried on my face, very dried, so tight. Oh my goodness. Yeah. My daughter is just laughing at me in the background. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like crying, but I can't cry. It's so tight. It's so tight, guys. So tight. Oh my God. It's fucking so tight. Can see how soft my face is looking. So smooth. I'm loving my face, guys. It works. Miraculous. So guys, I ended up washing my face because some of them was on my baby hair. So I wash it out. You can see how my face is growing. Very beautiful. So soft. Yeah. So I'm going to use this. I bought it from Roseman. It's my facial cream. Yes, guys. So just use it to massage my face. So soft, so refreshing. Guys, I'm loving my face. So thank you for watching. If you watched this video to this extent, to this stage, thank you so much. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, why don't you give me a big thumbs up and feel free to join this amazing family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.